Guys, this is Sahil from alphabetazone.com, and in this video I will show you how to check the activity of your Instagram app. So if you want to check the activity of your Instagram app of last 7 days or last 30 days, you can do it by using this feature. So if you want to check your activity, first you need to open your Instagram app, and here you need to select the three line icon at the top right corner of the screen, and now you need to click on the your activity section. Now under your activity section you can see that how much time you spent on your Instagram profile. You can also set a daily limit or daily break time. Like if you want to take a break after 30 minutes, you can set it by using this feature. You can also check your photos and videos or your highlight, etc. You can check interaction with your other profile. Like if you comment on somebody else profile, you can check it on comment section, and if you like somebody else profile, you can check it. You can check replies and reviews also, and you can also check the account history of your Instagram app. You can also check your recent searches. Like you can see these are our recent searches, and you can also clean them. You can check the link you have visited. So we had checked the link which we had visited on Instagram or through Instagram. So here you can check everything. You can also check that recently deleted post, video, and anything else. You can check it, or if you want to restore that post, you can need to click on restore. That post or video will be restored. So this is the way you can check your Instagram activity. I hope this guide was helpful and you will be able to check the activity of your Instagram app. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and visit our website alphabetazone.com.